Since we reported our first COVID-19 case, our country, Kenya, has recorded some 830 confirmed infections that has led to 50 deaths. Indeed, fellow Kenyans, it is disturbing to note that close to 30% of these recorded deaths occurred at home. I'll take this opportunity on behalf of all Kenyans to send my heartfelt condolences to the families and friends of those that we have lost to this pandemic. The life of every single Kenyan is precious. And I, together with millions of Kenyans, mourn the lost dreams that have been cut short so suddenly by this disease. We all emphasize with the tears and misery of those that have been left behind, and we pray that God will take them into his embrace and continue to comfort their loved ones. On a more positive note, I am delighted to note that due to the dedication and commitment of our healthcare workers, we have discharged some 301 individuals from our health facilities, all having registered full recovery since the onset of this pandemic, and there are now 481 cases that are currently undergoing treatment. I want to thank once again the dedicated and skilled Kenyans who are working around the clock to keep our infections relatively low so far. And I also want to thank the tens of millions of Kenyans who are adhering to the health, hygiene, and social distancing measures that have been put in place by our health officials.